Okay guys, I'm going to try to make a quick video here on how to thread this Singer 281-1. Someone wanted a close-up video of how to thread it. So I have my spool, my thread on my big spool thing here, and I have this thread coming over. So I'm trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me here. So you just want to thread the first hole, which is right there. And then I go in this second one, third one I guess I should say, second one. So then I go in this third one here. Oops, sorry. Okay, so it's like that, right? And then you're going to come down and go in the tension guide. So you're going to go behind this little loop here. And then you're going to go in between these two discs. See, there's two discs there? Right here. You're going to go in there, and then you're going to make sure that your thread clicks on this wire. See, this wire is looped up right here, and there's the wire, right? So you want to make sure that it's doing that, right? And then you're going to go around this thing here, this little loop guide here at the bottom. And then you're going to go up to this little hole here. All right, so I'm going to put a thread in there. And bring it. Okay, so it looks like that, right? And then you're going to go down into this tension. And then there's one more here at the bottom, so don't forget it. So there's another little tension guide here at the bottom. You want to make sure that you go in that little tension guide there at the bottom. Can you see it? Right there. Right there. We'll get our thread in there. And there's another one right here. And we're going to go in this one. I may have to set the phone down. Let's see if I can do it. Here we go. We got it. Okay, so we're in that guide too, right? So we're in there. And then it's just a matter of threading your needle. Okay. I don't have any scissors over here with me, so hopefully we can get this threaded. Not too easy without cutting the thread. Let's see here. Okay. It's so hard. Okay. And this machine is way different than the machine that I usually work on. I use this one for, like, you know, belt loops and zippers and, you know, heavy denim and things like that. So that's, and then my Juki machine is threaded just a little bit different because it has different little components, right? So, okay, so then you want to do that. So you threaded the top. You don't want your thread to be real tight. You want it to be a little bit on the loose side. You don't want to pull it extremely tight. So I'm going to take out the bobbin now. So underneath is your bobbin carriage and your bobbin case. And if I can hold this steady enough, I'll show you. Here's the bobbin. I can get it apart. Sorry. Okay. So here's your bobbin case, right? And then you want to put your bobbin in there. So your thread is like a number 6, right? So your thread is like on this side. Here's your thread, goes here like a number 6, right? Down and 6. You want to plop that in there like the number 6. And then you're going to pull it through this. Let me set it here a minute. You're going to pull it through. So it's a number 6, and then you're going to pull it through the tension, right? So you go through this little thing with your thread, and you pull it down, right? Until it clicks, right? And it's inside there, right? Right in there. So and then it can pull, right? And you have tension on it, okay? Now we're going to grab the little handle here, which goes like this. You open it up, and you're going to replace it. And you want to make sure that your thread is out of the way. My thread is back here by my fingers. See, I have a hold of my thread, so I'm not going to get it caught in here, right? You just snap it back in the bottom, and then you're ready to pull your thread up. So then you turn your wheel towards you, and then your bobbin thread should come right up like it did. And there you have both threads, right? And then we want them to go towards the back, okay? So that is threading this machine, one-handed pretty much. But anyway, so that's how you do it. And you should be good to go. And if the thread seems to be too tight, this is your tension. So you'll back off on it. You'll, turn this to the left or whatever, and back off on your tension. And you should be just fine to start sewing, okay? Thanks so much for watching my video. Please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you like the content that I share here. I would really appreciate that. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.